Carpet messes shouldn't survive the machine you bought. Tineco Carpet 1 is the easier, faster drying default. Choose Bissell ProHeat 2X for lighter, lower-cost versatility. Choose by drying, carrying, upkeep, and versatility. For most homes, buy the Tineco Carpet 1 Smart Carpet Cleaner. It's the better fit for recurring messes because it deep cleans effectively, extracts water quickly, and gives useful maintenance feedback. Handling is easier than you'd expect from a full-size machine. But at about 22 pounds, stairs are still inconvenient. Secure the brush roll cover carefully, since a poor fit can release extra water. Skip it if low cost, frequent carrying, or dependable app control matters most. For better value and more reach, choose the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Carpet Cleaner. It handles common stains well, weighs less, and adds a longer hose with tools for upholstery and car interiors. The compromise is more effort. You hold the spray trigger, navigate fussier controls, and manage less convenient tanks and caps. It also leaves carpets wetter, sounds louder, and may drip after shutoff. Skip it for sticky, oily stains or the quickest drying. Quick split. Tineco suits recurring carpet messes, easier handling, and faster drying. Bissell suits tighter budgets, easier carrying, and occasional furniture or car cleanup. Before buying, check storage height, stair access, nearby outlets, tank cleaning space, and where damp carpet can dry undisturbed. Start with the Tineco if you want strong cleaning without turning upkeep into another chore. Switch to the Bissell when price, lower weight, and hose reach matter more than drying speed. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.